In this video, I will show you how to create a short video for Valentine's Day. Open Filmora and then click on Explore. In this screen, click on Template at the top of the screen. Now click on the search bar and then search for any Valentine's Day theme. You will get a lot of results. Choose any one template you like. I chose this one. Click on Make Video. Now you need to choose the number of clips requested by the template. After that, click on Import. This will generate the desired video. This is the easiest way to create a Valentine's Day short video.